Welcome to Section 3 of our YouTube Ads video training. In this section, we will talk about creating your campaign, creating the ad group and ad, and managing your video ad campaign. We hope you enjoy and get the most out of this training section. Creating your campaign. Creating your campaign is absolutely simple. First of all, go to www.google.com/adwords and click on Sign In. You'll then be redirected to create your first campaign. If it's the first time creating your campaign, you'll be welcomed to the Welcome to AdWords page, where you'll notice the 4 steps you need to follow to create your first campaign. Step 1, choose your budget. Step 2, create your ads. Step 3, select keywords that match your ads to potential customers. And Step 4, enter your billing information. Those steps are for creating a custom AdWords campaign. The steps for creating your video ad campaign will be slightly different. Previously, you linked your AdWords account from inside your YouTube account. Right before creating your campaign, you'll probably see a notification for this. We advise you take a look at it and authorize the linking of your AdWords account with your YouTube account. If you don't see that notification, you should click on the setting icon located in the top right corner of the page. Click on Linked Accounts, click on YouTube, and you should be able to see a YouTube invitation to confirm your YouTube account to your YouTube channel. Simply click on View Request and click on Confirm. As you'll notice, you can even add a YouTube channel from here, too. Okay, awesome. Once you're done with that, go back to the Campaigns tab. To continue, click on Create Your First Campaign. The first thing you'll do is type a campaign name, or you can just leave it like it is if you want. You then need to pick the right campaign type. Your campaign type determines where your ad shows and which settings and options are available to you. Click the arrow and select Video. There are 3 different choices for ads. They are Standard, which are ads driving views, awareness, and conversions; Mobile App Installs, which are ads encouraging people to install your mobile app; and Shopping, which are ads encouraging people to buy products listed in your Google Merchant Center account. Just pick Standard for this one. For future campaign creation, if you'd like to use the same settings used in a previous campaign, you can load its settings. You then will set up your daily budget. Your daily budget is the average amount you're comfortable spending each day on this campaign. The delivery method determines how your budget, when limited, is spent throughout the day. You can choose Standard, which will show ads evenly over time. Accelerated will show ads as quickly as possible. Network settings let you choose where your ads appear. For YouTube Search to show video ads on YouTube search results pages, you'll use Video Discovery ads only. For YouTube to show video ads on the YouTube homepage, watch, and channel pages, you'll use instream and Video Discovery ads. Video partners extend the reach of video ads to a collection of sites and apps in the Google Display Network, GDN. You can use instream and Video Discovery ads for this. Location targeting lets you show your ads to people located in, or who shows interest in, a geographic location. From now on, you'll apply what you learned in knowing your business. You should decide in which location, language, and devices you want your ads to appear. You can choose a country, a city, a region, or even a postal code. You must also define what languages your customers speak. Finally, you must decide what operating systems, mobile devices, or carriers and Wi-Fi you want to apply to your campaign. For the advanced settings, you are able to pick your schedule, which means a start date, end date, and ad scheduling. For the ad delivery, you are able to set the ad rotation, the frequency capping, and the content exclusions. Just read the instructions shown, which are self-explanatory. Then, click on Save and Continue.